We're going to listen from 1:20 and 40 seconds, I believe. We're going to make it as loud. No, 1:20 and 0 seconds. So it's 1:20 a.m. Illinois time, -5 from Greenwich Mean Time. And we're going to be listening on both body cams at once. We'll get the partner audio and the Sean Grayson, the person that fired the weapons, video, and he didn't have audio. So for some reason, he didn't have his body cam on at all. And we're going to go to 1:20, where the second body cam. So somewhere along the line here, they go to the second body cam, which I believe is around here, 1:20:40. So let's go back a few seconds. Yeah, so right around, yes, so here is where it transitions, and we can listen to...
Yeah, turn that off.
Yeah, so he's telling him to turn off his body cam. That's way later. But here's where the other body cam starts. I'm going to pause it right at 1:20:40, right? And let's hear what leads into this, right? So you can hear at 1:20:39, I'm going to play this one too. So the audio is going to start at 1:20:0. Let's see if we can make it as loud as possible.
Try to do first and then one task at a time. Okay.
So they're asking to do the...
You're at one task at a time. So let's do an ID, and then you can dig around for your paperwork.
I don't know where my ID
You
is.
have a stack right there, maybe?
All right, so it's 1:20:15, 1:17. And the next thing we're going to do is play. So he's giggling too. That's bizarre.
Your hot steaming water. Yeah.
There she said something. Now it's going to...
Fucking no, I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you right in your fucking face. Drop the fucking pot! Drop the fucking pot! Shots fired! Drop the fucking pot!
That's scary
3
because...
minutes now, we got a headshot wound to the female. Headshot wound to the female, 1078.
Now we're going to get both audios. There, now it's both audio.
I'm gonna go get my kid. No, the headshot, dude. She's done. You can go get it, but that's a headshot. God damn it. Fuck. Dude, I'm not taking fucking boiling water to the fucking head. And look, it fucking came right to our feet, too. God damn it. God damn it. You good? I'm good. You good? Yeah, I'm good. Holster down. Let her fucking just... There's nothing we can do, man. Fuck. You good? Alright. Fuck.
We're going to hear echoing because it's both body cams at once.
You know, what else do we do? I'm not taking hot boiling water to the fucking face, and it already reached us. They got a 52 in route? Yeah, 1078. You're 18, she's still breathing, but she was losing a lot of blood from the head. I'll go get my med kit. I mean, there's not much we can do. Fuck!
So it looks like Grayson went to get his med kit and give it to the partner, maybe? Because we're still with Grayson here.
Do we got any call history with her being 1096? Negative. She's in the kitchen.
I think that's the partner saying, where's he at? Look at the sense of urgency. You just murdered someone and he's has no urgency to help.
Sergeant, who, no. Let's just chill out here. Just search right now.
Are you guys secure?
Yeah, we're secure.
That covered?
No, it's just her in the house. She's 1096.
What 1096 must mean murdered by a police officer.
Alright, I'm not even gonna waste my med stuff then.
He's not gonna waste.
Real quick.
Nope, hang on.
Alright. House is cleared. She was the only one.
Where's he going?
No, she had boiling water and came at me with boiling water.
You shot her?
Yeah. She said she was going to rebuke me in the name of Jesus and came out with boiling water. That's what all this is. I was standing right here.
Alright.
And that's where he's landed.
What do you need from us?
Just nothing right now. Just hang out there for me. Thank you.
I don't know if you look at this. This office needs a complete cleanup.
Other than that, that's I think it.
Anything else, suspect?
Me.
I didn't know what happened.
You can hear him in the background saying, do you want me to hold the pressure? That's the partner. This guy's very proud of himself. He's probably going to post on Instagram how great an officer he is.
I think I got a roll.
Oh, so this has to do with the roll of caution tape. Yeah, let the murderer put out the caution tape. Yeah. Well, I can't watch any more of
You got
this.
enough? If not, I got a roll.
He's got a roll. So this is the murderer, Sean Grayson, putting out the roll. Yeah, he's probably an expert at this. It looks like he's a serial murderer.
I just around the house. You guys can go inside.
Okay. Red bottom.
That's good.
Anyway, still gasping while he's putting out this.
Let's go to the garbage cans. Yep.
Yeah, they definitely have a hierarchy here. I'm going to say peace out on this, and we're going to watch it in slow motion.